Hey guys, if you hear something in the background, you are listening to the tail end of a live broadcast of the Hudson Valley Renegades, the short season single A affiliate baseball team of the Tampa Bay Devil Rays. Rays, whatever. Now, we're continuing our discussion of garage rock. Now, garage rock is on principle classified as people sounding like they're practicing or rehearsing or performing in their garage. That's not to say that everything sounds as... one can argue that Louie Louie from the Kingsmen is pretty sloppily put together. It was done in an hour, one take. The band was really unprepared for what to expect in the studio since they found out the day beforehand that they were going to record. And their surprise resulted in, Louie Louie. Now, there are elements from that song, elements from that style, that other garage rock bands follow, but to say that they all follow that same exact formula would be a downright lie. A lot of garage rock in the 60s was based on R&B and the blues. You look at a band like the Yardbirds. They have a very rough, raw, and gritty sound. They are a garage rock band, but they are based solely, if not exclusively, in the blues. The Kinks are another great garage rock band. They were an R&B cover band before they put out songs like You Really Got Me and All Day and All of the Night. Very rough, gritty, three-chord songs. That would be the archetype of what punk would become, but we're not there yet. We're still talking about garage rock. You have the rough and gritty sounds, but then again, you also have some pretty crisp, clear, and concise pop songwriting. Look at the song 96 Tears from Question Mark and the Mysterians. Yes, that is the name of a garage rock band, and it is a very successful garage rock song from the 60s. But it's so clean and polished, it could pass off as a Beatles song in production quality, and just the way the song is constructed and performed, it could be played by anybody. Paul Revere and the Raiders are another good example of like a pop-based rock band. You could argue power pop in some regards. You could also argue with some of the sounds that you heard on their single Kicks. They could also be like some distant precursor sound for like psychedelic organ playing or whatever. I get that vibe when I listen to that song. And then again, you also have garage rock acts that are based in surf, twangy guitar-like music. Wipeout is a great example of a garage rock tune, and that's a freaking surf song. You look at Surfin' Bird. Yes, that song from Family Guy. Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. The bird's a word. Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. That's a garage rock song. So you can get over a wide-ranging spectrum, and you can also look at it from the garage rock explosion of the 2000s, which we will talk about tomorrow, where it follows the same thing. You can get amateur-sounding recordings, like you can argue with Louie Louie. And then you can get crisp, clean, pop recording whatever in like 96 Tears. And then you can have just a whole bunch of hodgepodge of random sounds. But if it sounds like people in their garage, it's garage rock. Plain and simple. It can be as complicated and convoluted as you want, and it can be as simple as you want. And those ethics and styles can be traced and seen in punk music.